Hi there, I'm Ryan Quintel and welcome to Sketch for Adobe Switchers. This is a multi-part video series where I'm going to introduce you to the program Sketch for interface and experience design and also leverage your working knowledge of the Adobe suite and software like Photoshop and Illustrator so that you have a leg up and understand a little bit better what's happening. In these videos, I'm going to be using macOS Mojave as my demo environment, but many of the things we'll learn here will be applicable to Sketch for years to come, and some of which will be retroactively applied to an older version of Sketch. Sketch is updated all the time, so maybe some details you're going to see here could be different or have changed. But if these tutorials get a great response, I will surely update them for whatever major milestones and changes come along. I'm going to start today by launching Sketch and getting right into things. I'll use Command Space and use Spotlight to launch it. That's what I like to do. And when you start Sketch, you kind of have this option on this beginning screen where you can learn a bunch of things. Maybe you're learning with this video instead of one of Sketch's resources. But you have the option to toggle between your recent projects and templates. Templates are basically what you would just get in an Adobe start screen these days. So preset sizes, preset canvases for you to already have things a little quicker started for you. But I'm going to start with just a new document. And now I can either hit choose or enter on my keyboard.